All right, tobacco is a very popular note. A lot of people like it, especially in the fall and winter time. Here is an amazing fragrance. This is Vue Elegant. This is a clone of Naxos. Now, I have Pure Havane. This smells very similar to Pure Havane, and everyone says Naxos is the same. Unfortunately, I do not own Naxos yet. I'm hoping to get it soon. This is a great fragrance. Highly recommend it. Great projection, great longevity, very amazing cherry kind of tobacco, like a pipe tobacco fragrance. Not offending, compliment point, great fragrance. Highly recommend this. Another one I keep talking about is exclusive tobacco. I bought this on a whim. I thought maybe it'll be like an enhanced version of tobacco, which I couldn't find at the time. This is nothing like tobacco. This is an amazing vanilla tobacco fragrance. Highly recommend this. If you can find this, some say it is very similar to Carolina Herrera's Mystery Tobacco, which is another fragrance I would like to get and smell. So I'm loving this fragrance. Projection, longevity, it is a good 8-hour fragrance. Definitely recommend it. If you can find it, highly just pick it up. Blind buy worthy if you like tobacco. Now, if you don't like tobacco, it's not blind buy worthy, but I blind buy it and I'm so thrilled with this fragrance. Now, a very entry-level tobacco fragrance is this. This is John Varvatos Vintage. This is a gentleman wonderful fragrance. This is not your off-putting tobacco fragrance. This isn't even like a groundbreaking tobacco fragrance. You're not going to smell it and go, oh my gosh, that's the best thing I've ever smelled. It is a much more crowd-appealing masses fragrance. So highly recommend this. If you want to see if you like tobacco, check out John Varvatos Vintage. Now, one of my favorite fragrances that unfortunately I forget I even own and I don't wear that often is this. It is Jazz Club. This is from their memory section where it's a scent memory. So this smells like a jazz club. So you get your suede, you get your alcohol, your booze, you get your tobacco. It says here that it's heady, it's cocktails and cigars is what the memory is for this. I love it. I think it's amazing. It has pretty good performance. I think you get 6 to 8 hours with it. Highly recommend it if you want something like that. This is a great evening fragrance. You could wear it to the office. It is a daytime scent, but it's much better in the wintertime when it gets cooler out there and it's like an evening event. So if you're going to a party, you're going to a bar, you're going to meet friends, this is a great scent. Highly recommend it. Now, the fragrance I mentioned earlier, exclusive tobacco, I wanted tobacco. Well, I finally got it. Here is tobacco. I love this fragrance so much. I've only had it for a couple days, but I'm in love with it. Now, this is my scent of the day today. This is a great scent. It is honey and tobacco, and it's a strong honey. Very strong. Love it. It makes it perfectly blended with that. Now, the thing about it is once it hits the cool air, it just radiates and starts popping. So this is going to be a great winter fragrance. I cannot wait to wear this heavily in the winter. Again, I'm wearing it today. I don't care if it's not even the right setting to wear it. I love this fragrance. I can't wait to wear it. So like when I was away on the trip, all I could think is coming back and trying this fragrance again. So highly recommend this. If you can find it, I found it on Amazon. I think it was 35 bucks. Great fragrance, loving it. So those are 5 tobacco fragrances. Let me know what your favorite are in the comments below. Cannot wait to talk to you in the future. And please, as always, follow and subscribe for more. I upload daily and I really appreciate all the support you guys are showing. Who knew the channel would be as big as it is so quickly? So thank you so much. Talk to you soon.